Hi everyone, this is Jennifer from Happy Place Planning, and today I want to talk to you about the custom color changes that you can do over at PlannerKate. Okay, so first up, what you need to know. If you want a very handy way to always have the color options on hand, you can purchase this sheet called A Colors. There's a sheet number. It has all of the color options on here. So these are the 24 different PlannerKate colors. She also offers an Erin Condren bold mix and an Erin Condren muted mix. And then most recently, she added the Flora colorway. And then just a couple of weeks ago, she added this really fun plum paper color mix. It's the modern color scheme from Plum Paper. And then today I want to show you what I ordered in the new Moxie Life color options and show you how to do that on the website. So first up, let's go ahead and search for this sheet. I think if you type in A Colors and click search, it will come up. Looks like this. You can add that to your cart. It looks like it is $1. And like I said, it's just handy to have on hand if you're trying to match colors or decide which color option you want to go with. It is on sticker paper, so you could do a couple of things. I've seen people, if they use the PlannerKate albums, go ahead and stick it on the inside of the album. I personally have one that's laminated, and I tuck it in the sleeve of one of my sticker binders. But you do have a couple of options there, or you could just leave it on your desk as is. Okay, so how do you order custom colors at PlannerKate? What you're gonna do is pick the sticker sheet you want the color change to be applied to. So in my case, I picked S1748, which is the PlannerKate colorway of these appointment labels. And I added 1, 2, 3, 4 of those to my cart. And then you'll want to choose the color change option. I think it's $1 for the color change. And you'll add 4 of those to your cart. And then in that drop down, you'll pick which one of these colors that you want the sheet changed to. So I ordered this sheet, 4 of them, and 4 color changes for $1. And I typed in 1 for the Moxie Yellow, 2 for the Moxie Orange, 7 for the Moxie Green, and 5 for the Moxie Blue. And I'll show you what that looks like on the website as well. So this is the PlannerKate website, and I went ahead and clicked stickers up here on the home bar. And then over here on the sidebar, I'm gonna click custom fonts and changes. And then since I wanted the Moxie Life, I went ahead and added those to my color change. So let's say I was doing the Moxie Yellow, that would be number 1, Moxie Yellow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open that so you can see, but pick the Moxie Yellow, and then you can type in the sheet in your cart that would be applied to. So I would type in here S1748, and that would tell Kate that you want this sheet to be changed to that color. And then you click add to cart. So as long as you have that color change and the sheet in your cart that you're paying for, you can change those to any color that you would like. So I did that same process for a couple of different sheets so that I would have a variety of the new Moxie Life colors in these 4 that I really liked, the green, blue, orange, and yellow. And I'll show you what those look like as well. So I did that same process with sheet S323, which are these basic labels. And I also did that for sheet S358, which are the medium scallops. And I did that to sheet S1068, as well, which are, I think these are 3rd boxes. And then I did that just one time in the green color to sheet S1772 for these habit trackers. But now I have a good variety of the Moxie Life colors, and I can plan out an entire week in my Erin Condren planner. So that's what I'm going to show you next. So I decided that for, oops, I'm in the wrong planner, guys. Don't want my daily, I want my weekly. I had decided I wanted to do that for the week of February 21st through the 27th. So let's go ahead and just get the basics down using some of these new Moxie Life colorway stickers. Get all of these up and out of the way. So the one thing that I really like on the attention to detail is the washi strip on the side of all the sheets is also in the corresponding colorway. So since these are Moxie Life colors, this washi strip is also in the Moxie Life colorway. So I'm going to use a couple of those and put some washi down. I could have also ordered some headers in the Moxie Life colorway, but I knew I had some from my stash that would probably work from some of the old colors, so I think I'm just going to use, maybe that one's missing Sunday from when I did a rainbow week. Maybe I'll just use black. I'm just going to use the black headers that I have in, and they are individual headers, and I'm using an hourly planner, which some people prefer this solid strip headers, but I'm okay with that. So I'm going to go ahead and get those down next. Next up, I'm going to use one of the 3rd boxes to cover this up. I think I'm going to use the green color. Just cover that little box up. Actually not a box, I guess. Cover up the font that's on the planner. And in that box, I'll write down the week number and my to-do sticker. And then we can start probably putting in appointments. And I decided, since I'm using these limited colors, I'm going to use yellow for all of my son's appointments for this week. And a lot of that is just Taekwondo and ninja class. So I'll get those put in as well. And then I'll do my husband's items on the orange. So I think he has bowling on Thursday night. And then my favorite color is green, so I will put my own personal stuff on the green color. And since it's the last Sunday in the month, I will have to get our church payroll out. Can't believe that we're sitting here planning for the end of February already. And the only thing I really have for work is kind of an all-day thing on Friday. It's not really a timed appointment, so I'm going to use one of these third boxes. And we have all day problem-solving meetings, day-to-day, MTSSS, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down for the day. And of course, add my habit tracker. I think I'm going to actually put 2 of them down for the week since they are the individual trackers. I have a couple of things I want to track. I decided I wanted to add a February label. I really like this scripty font. It's sheet S1798, and thought that would look good up here with the week number. Maybe. And then to label my to-do sidebar over here, I'm using the Happy Place font. That's actually my font. Kate is the only one that has access to that right now, so if you're wanting to pick up my font and stickers, search H Happy Place in the store and all of those customs will come up. And now I can fill in the stuff for sure that I know I want to get done this week. I also like to just reference my traveler's notebook. I have several videos up on this, but this is the planner that goes everywhere with me when I'm out and about making appointments and when I'm at work. So I just wanted to check to make sure nothing else came up that I needed to put into this planner as well, and it looks like I'm good there. As I was filling this out, that reminded me that I have a couple of things that need to be moved over to my day-specific tasks, such as some of my blog posts that I need to get done. So I'm going to go ahead and write those on green since I'm using green for myself this week. I usually don't color coordinate, but since I'm using this limited color scheme, I'm trying to stick to just these Moxie Life colors. That's why I'm doing that this week, but I'll go ahead and add those. And I think as far as the plan with me goes, that's all I can really put in for right now since I'm planning so far out in advance. Those are the only things that I know about for sure. But that will give you a little bit of a flavor for the new Moxie Life colors from PlannerKate and how you can order those on the website and what it might look like when you put them down in your planner. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you back here next time.